So we've not seen anything or people or anything for miles. Miles and miles, and it really does feel like we're in the wilderness here. And we kept seeing like horse footprints and just assumed, you know, coming from Devon it'd be people riding horses. And then we come across this.
Hey donkey! He thinks he's a horsey.
And
He doesn't look impressed though, does he?
it's
He doesn't look happy.
absolutely mental really that just seeing a few horses helps lift the morale, even though it's still pissing it down with rain.
It's cold.
And we're cold.
And I got wet, muddy feet.
And Ricky's got wet muddy feet
Don't look like it.
because he was a douchebag and tried to ride through a muddy patch, which schoolboy error. Okay, onwards and upwards.
Bye baby. Aw, aw.